just exploded.
Is it okay?
For birds, smart move, all clear, lines up his shot, and swings and...
It's like, oh no, it was a bald eagle's hat.
Very unfortunate. And that's that time.
I mean, I didn't do that. Obviously, I did not do that on purpose.
Oh God, the eagle's back. That startled me.
Bad shot there. He is frustrated, and he's throwing his club.
Green. Oh, the green and... Oh!